Hey, this is why I love Tmux. So I'm here on my window. I'm in this repository called, I think, no, that's not the repository. So let me go here. Let me go to work, then go to Twitter. Yeah, so I'm here in the repository called Twitter. So I can choose to do open my new Vim, of course. Then open a file like main.rs, for example. See some cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. Open another. Let me look for a longer one. You know, yeah. So I'm here hypothetically working on this file. Then if I need a terminal, I have two options. One, I can do this, then do new. I have new window inside the new vim, whatever. Just a fancy way. I can ls, then I can cargo test, then runs my test, blah blah blah, and yeah. This can be so hard to switch back and forth, of course, because of science. Yeah, there's some warning there, blah blah blah. So this can be hard to switch. So especially exiting is control bar, then no. Yeah, so sometimes I want the terminal there, which is cool. But sometimes that just doesn't work. I want a dedicated terminal, like the native one that comes with a new Vim, but I've replaced that with my own kind of thing. Yeah, usually you can do lexplore. Is it lexplore or vsplit? I can do split, dude. Yes, I've splitted it vertically, top and bottom. So I can do Control W and then up to go to the top part. Then I can decide to make this a terminal, the top one. Yeah, so basically I have a terminal here inside the same new vim. Then if I want to exit, control this key, then N, then control W, then go to the bottom one, blah blah blah, and then okay, control W, up. Then I can decide I don't need this terminal anymore. Maybe I need a more native one because I'm now hyper focused. So I can now use Tmux here. So I can do Control B, then the percentage sign. Now here I have two pens. I can decide to resize pens, but that is not for the scope of this. But now I have two things. So new vim on the left, another terminal there. Then if, for instance, that's cool, I want another space to work on, I can do Control B, just like that. I have another space. More space to do more crafty stuff. Yep. See, then this is just one window. Then I can have another completely different project or another workflow in another window. And I can do Control B. I can either choose next. So this is another project altogether. I think it's just the same, but yeah, it's science. I think it's the same project. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I can do this. Then I can do, I can split things here too. Or I can do telescope, FD, no diagnostics, I'm good. Then, maybe, yeah, the thing I'm doing on this window, I'm okay, so I can move to the next window, then do this. And here's what I love about Qt. Notice how the cursor is slowly swiping to the next line, gradually and stuff. Yeah, so you can just leave on the terminal and do stuff on the terminal for life. Yeah, and then if the windows are confusing, like for example, now I'm in the first one, which is index 0, you can rename it. So you can do Control B, then the command one, then you can do rename window, then you can say awesome, so that you can easily identify them. Right? So my window is renamed awesome. Then you can do, what do you call this? You can list all your windows here. So you can select where you want to work. So this is far more superior than having multiple native terminal panes, whether I'm using Kitty for the terminal or uh, multiple windows. This, for me, this works. And if you add this to a Linux, it even gets way better. Thank you for coming to my impromptu video talking about absolutely nothing. If you have questions, leave them in the replies.